We are having lunch at Nanay's Filipino Cuisine. It's delicious here. I guarantee you that. They have a A rating. Let's check it out inside. They had their magazine. And you know, the food is good here. See? Good. Delicious. They have drinks too. And they have balikbayan box there. Check it out. These are the rates. It's their menu. Nice. Check it out. It's delicious.